Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Review Information. Today I will show you how to uninstall programs in Windows 10. Let's see how to do this. In previous versions of Windows, uninstalling programs was a headache that involved first finding the control panel and then add remove programs tool. Now it's a simple process. Go to your start menu and type remove into the search bar. Click the top option that appears for add or remove programs. Scroll down the list of installed programs to find the one you want to remove. Click on the program, then click the uninstall button that appears below it. Confirm that you want to uninstall the app by clicking uninstall in the pop-up. Click yes. The program will be then uninstalled. The program uninstall is completed. That is how you can uninstall programs in Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.